I was late for the syrup. But yeah, that's a game number 3. Let's go. I guess 4-2 formation works. Shoe away with the serve, I guess. Idea sub. Sunny with good sets, nice. Eva with good serves. Everybody played well. Nice, good game, good second game. I wish you guys luck. Third game. Shoe away with the serve. Nice. It's free ball. Shoe away. Nice. Sunny. Good ball. There. Oh, damn, like that ball. That was good. Alright. Alright, shoe away with the serve. Nice serve. Good set, and okay. Mr. Jeff again. Put this way. Alright, Shuwe, let's go. Nice serve by Shuwe. What the serve? Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. Serve. It's in! Wow. It's ace. Shuwe with a streak. Let's go. Good serve. Charles receive the ball. Set. 2. Gabi. Lucky. But we'll take it. 0-4. Let's go. Shuwe with the 4 streak. Whoa! Middle close! It was close to the net again. To the fight. It's okay, I'm lucky. It was really close to the net again. One more time. Alright, let's go. Skinny girl with the serve. Alright. Serve. Nice, Alex receive. Sunny. Nice. Nice, David. Well played. Good cover. Middle hit. Ay, Alex. Unlucky. This guy with a hat is on the way. I don't know. Can feel the other guys. Nice, Alex. Sunny with good set. David, kill! David with the kill. Let's go. What a kill. God damn, I'm missing for my soccer. Look at it. 8:54. I'm late. I guess no soccer today, but it's a great game. It's worth the wait. Alright, Sunny with a good serve. Jeff afraid now to hit. Now good. Nice, David. Good push. Middle. Nice. Sunny. David. Nice. Good push. Minso with the weird play again. Alright, Sunny, let's go. Score is 6-1, I think. Yep, 6-1. Sunny with good serve. Good play. Eva, nice. David. Ooh, unlucky. It was good ball. Score is 6-3. I'm sorry, guys. 6-3. With the serve. Oh my god, what was that? Miscommunication. Eva, play, nice! David! Nice, Eva! David! Ooh! Wow, what a play, guys. What a play. That's a team I'm talking about. 7-3, let's go! It's really good, stable today. Oh, nice, upper and serve. Set, middle, block. Nice block! Ooh, unlucky. Nobody's watching the... It's okay. It was a good block though. Fans here. I guess it's David's friends. Alright. serving. Serve. Nice, out, that's out, Good play, good look from Javier, good look. Alright. David Z with the serve. Let's go. Good serve. Receive. Hit. Nice shoot. Nice Eva. Good receiving. Alex. Nice. I think he passed the line. Unlucky. That was close ball. You gotta jump. You gotta hit. You do hit what you can. That's good. Call. Alright, Gadi with the serve. Is there something wrong with the ball? Yeah, it's missing the balls. Gadi with the serve. Score is 9-5, sorry. 9-5. Let's go. Eva with the serve. Let's go. Nice serve, Eva. Nice serve. It's ace. 10-5. Let's go, Eva. Stable. She said today she has a 20% battery. I mean, which means like energy, but she played good today. It's alright. Good serve. Shot with a hit. Nice receive by David. Sunny, good set. Alex, free ball. Shot with a hit. Nice block with Shuwei. It's a net by Shuwei. Unlucky. Score is, I'm pretty sure it's 6-10. It's a fence here. Nice, good receive by Eva. Sunny. Alex. Receive. Middle hit. Nice. Play. Oh my god, it was a close contact. Tip. Nice. Well played. Sunny, good set. Alex. Oh my god. Alex. So good, Alex. Let's go. Alright, beautiful guy with the serve. Oh, sure. No. Who's watching middle? Oh, yeah. 10-8. They're catching up. Such an intense game, guys. Really close game. Serve. David. Oh, yeah. David. Wish I have a zoom. I will zoom his face. God damn. Beard guy with the serve again. Short, nice Shuwei. Sunny, Shuwei. What a hit! Wow, that was amazing. David, and with the serve. Good serve. Grab it, receive. Nice. Go in. Nice. Score is 12-9. David and with the serve. Nice. Good serve. Dude, gotta receive it. Tip. Sunny back. Good hit. Unlucky. Score is 12-10. Let's go. Jared serving. Okay, we need good receiving on that. Okay. Shuwei. No, nice, David. Sunny. Oh, play Sunny. Nice. Little guy. Nice block. Ooh, tip. Nobody's watching tip. Unlucky. It's hard. It was double block though. Yeah, my bad. Enemy team sweat. Jar of the serve. Shuwei. Sunny. Shuwei with the hit. Nice. Middle hit. Block. David. Nice. David Z. Oh, Javier. okay. Unlucky. Big cock up. 12-12. Let's go. Jala to serve. There's a win streak, I think, of 3. Yeah. Shuwei, nice receiving. Sunny. David. Nice and David. Elbow. Jeff. No! Unlucky Shuwei. Unlucky with the block. I think ball was going out, even though we blocked it, but hard to say. That's Minson with the spikes doing mistakes. Alright. Jarrett with the serve. Nice. Sunny. Nice. Javier. Nice. Good ball. Nice. Drop. Nice. Shuwei. Javier. Nice ball. Nice. Good. Javier. Nice. Nice, Javier. Nice. Easy. Nice. Good push. Nice, Eva. Receive. Unlucky. Score is 13-12. I'm sorry, 14-12. Jarrett with the serve. He's streak of 5, I think. Eva, good serve, David. Nice, David. And ball in. Well play. What a play. Bad ball. You receive it. Shui, nice hit. Middle block. Somebody. Unlucky. 15-12. Unlucky. It was good block from Javier. It was not enough. Oh, I'm sorry. It was points for 15. Such a close game. Close game, guys. Well play, both teams. Really good. Very close game.